you are using a Windows machine and you ever wanted to start developing, sooner or later you'll have to come across a thing called Windows Subsystem for Linux, which allows you to install Linux apps and develop using Linux on your Windows machine. So here I will show you how to quickly set up everything and start programming. So to start using these features, you would have to enable them in settings. To do this, you have to first go to your Windows panel and then type Windows Features. It will open up this window, and here you will have to find Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform and turn them on. So after you have enabled the features inside your Windows settings and restarted your PC, you can install a Windows distribution inside your terminal. To do that, you have to go to my website or somewhere, copy this command, WSL install, and then paste it inside your terminal. Currently, I would not be able to install because I have already installed. So after you have successfully installed your Linux distribution, you can update it using WSL update command, which looks like this. By the way, run as administrator. Also, inside Ubuntu, after that update, you can run sudo apt and upgrade. After everything is upgraded, installed, to access your Linux system, you would have to go to the terminal, and then here click Ubuntu. And in Ubuntu, once it launches, you would be able to code and install things using Linux. So for the code editor, I'm not using VS Code because I think it's too bulky, and I have been really enjoying using Zed. So here I'll show you how to quickly set it up. Mainly there are two ways. First of them is just going to the official website and download it. And second way is to set up inside WSL, which is more complicated and takes up some GPU. So here I'll just quickly speed run through installation. Just click on everything and wait till it is finished. Once everything is finished, we can launch Zed Preview. So once everything installs successfully, you can jump into the Zed editor, which looks like this. Here you'll be guided through some settings. I think you can start coding. Remember to turn off AI everywhere. Very important. To open up a Linux project, you can do it through Open Project, finding Linux, Ubuntu, Home, and your username, and maybe creating a folder to manage your projects. And after selecting it, it's in restricted mode, and trust and continue. And after you select it, here is a pop-up saying that inside WSL file system some features may not work unless you open it in WSL, which we're going to do. And it's going to detect WSL environment, fetch anything, and start the server. And then you can see small Ubuntu, which is pretty cool. So I hope that helped you, and see you next time. Bye.